Hi. In this tutorial, we will explore how to set up multiple email notifications. We'll be using this automotive parts sales form and configuring the notifications based on each location and respondent. As you can see, this automotive service is available in 3 different states. Buyers need to select a location for their parts to be delivered and installed. To set up the email notifications, let's navigate to Setup and then click on Emails. First, let's set up the notification that informs the buyer about the parts ordered, including an order summary. We add the buyer's email, select the timing for sending the email, and update the email's subject line. Then we incorporate variables such as the buyer's title and last name, the payment summary, and the service location into our email notification. We are making a test submission to preview the email notification. After entering our details, we'll be redirected to the Stripe checkout page. Upon completing the payment, we'll be directed to the payment confirmation screen. This is the customized email. You can see that all the details and variables are automatically filled with data from the form. Now, let's proceed to the next email notification. Simply click on New Email and begin drafting the notification that will be sent to the service, providing them with the order information. We begin by adding the email address for the Pasadena service. Then, we proceed by entering the subject line and composing the email content. We organize the buyer information into a table to enhance readability. Now, we need to replicate this email for the other 2 locations and update the email addresses accordingly. Please note that the maximum allowable number of email notifications is 10. Finally, we need to implement rules for the location-based email notifications and configure the emails to be sent based on the service location selected. We achieve this by specifying that if the delivery location is, for example, Pasadena, California, then the email should be automatically sent to the Pasadena service email address. Here's how the service email notification looks like. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.